Thanks for being here today. Just enjoying a cup of coffee here in my garden. Couple of things that we're gonna be doing today. I have a little bit of a mess, so I am gonna be cleaning out and moving some of these grow bags around. I'm also going to be planting a few more things here in our grow boxes. We did get some carrots and peas going. I want to get some of my herbs going, so we're gonna plant some chives, some cilantro, some dill. Unfortunately, I am going to be getting rid of my rosemary plant. We've had it for several seasons. It's always come back. It's a great herb. I tend to be the only one in the household that likes it. Everybody else doesn't seem to really care for it so much. So sadly, it didn't come back, and it's not showing any signs of coming back. So we're just gonna pop that out and replace that with chives, which is another fantastic perennial herb to grow. If you haven't done so, give it a whirl. It's really tasty. You can utilize it on all kinds of different dishes. My family really enjoys dill. Dill as well, but chives on like eggs, mashed potatoes, just about anything. Same thing with the dill. I want to get dill going because my hope is if we get a really great crop with our cucumbers, I want to actually utilize the dill with the cucumber and try my hand at pickling cucumbers. Why not, right? So that's just a little bit of what's going on today in our garden. Just, gonna make a little video on that, and we'll get going here. Again, if you're new to my channel, thanks for being here. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up. You can hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And then go ahead and hit that comment section down below. If there's anything you want to add or ask or what have you, don't forget to do that. I'll be right back. All right, so I cleared out my container with the rosemary, and the fact that I just barely gave it a tug and it popped out was a true indication that that just was spent. But I have my Chive Seeds here, little tiny black seeds here, and I've kind of prepared my area here. So I'm just gonna sprinkle these along here, just like so. Not very deep. And again, these come back every year, and the chives are great. They have a hint of like an oniony flavor. That's like pretty much all I had in that seed pack. Perfect. And then we're just gonna cover those up. A little bit of the soil here. Just like that. And then we're not going to forget to put our label in. So that is it for the chives. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing here with our dill and our cilantro. My thing is just, where do I want to put these? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put them right here. Just do it according to package direction. Well, it doesn't give too much. Actually, I'm not going to put them here. I'll put them here and there. I'm just going to prepare this spot here. And this is what the dill seeds look like. Like I said, we're just going to do a few here and a few in that spot. And again, this is the nice thing about the square foot gardening, is that I can plant so many different things in a small area. Come on over to this side here. Dill and cilantro, those are an annual, so you'll have those just for the one season, and then you'll have to plant more. Like I said, the chives, that's a perennial, so that will continuously come back each year, so you can enjoy it each time. And this is the cilantro seed. It kind of reminds me almost of like a radish seed because it is a little on the bulbous side here. But we're just gonna take a few of these here and we're just gonna plant those down here. Cilantro is fantastic and salsas, toppings on, you know, soups or stews, anything like that. Really delicious stuff. Nothing beats fresh herbs in your cooking. And the lovely thing with square foot gardening, again, is you can companion plant. So having certain herbs or vegetables are only going to help enhance the flavors of the other crops that you're growing. It's also going to help when you companion plant like that. It deters certain pests away that would normally sometimes be an issue. We'll just do that. And you can grow a lot more in a smaller space. And then I'm just gonna put my seed pack here so I know what I have in this area until I make up my little marker. So I have my label for it. And we're just gonna cover these seeds over. Just like that with the dirt. And then in the middle here, I'll be planting some cucumber and I'll have a few tomatoes along the sides there. And then we'll do some onions probably here. Isn't that just lovely? All these different things that we can grow in just these few garden boxes. Cover those up. And then the nice thing is with this, I'm on one side and I can reach all the way over. So that is also the benefit of square foot gardening. Almost no matter where you are, you can reach your crops. So it's not too hard on the back or anything like that. Here we are for today. So we planted a few herbs. We cleared out a previous herb that didn't sustain. And there we go. A couple other things I do want to do a side note on. I have been doing a lot of vegetable and herb prepping, but don't forget your flowers. That's another little area I need to go work on as well. Perhaps I'll do a video on that as well. If you have any flower beds or flowers in containers, be sure you're preparing those as well. Pruning, weeding out what you have to, because you want your flowers to also look nice, so don't forget those, because those are also going to help attract your pollinators in, so that anything that you're growing in your garden that does need pollination from outside sources, such as your bees, ladybugs, ants, what have you, you want to be sure those are looking good for them too, all right? Otherwise, again, hit that like and subscribe, notification, thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.